Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Maytag top-load washing machine. First, load your clothes loosely around the agitator or impeller, making sure not to overfill the tub. Overloading can hinder cleaning performance. Next, add your high-efficiency detergent to the designated dispenser. This ensures it's released at the correct time during the wash cycle for optimal results. Close the lid firmly, and you're ready for the next step. Now, let's choose the right wash cycle. Your Maytag offers various options like normal, delicates, and heavy-duty. Select the cycle that best matches your fabric type and soil level. For heavily soiled items or bulky loads, consider using the deep water wash option, which adds more water for a thorough clean. Don't forget to adjust the water temperature to suit your garments, ensuring both cleanliness and fabric care. Proper detergent and additive dispensing are crucial. Always use high-efficiency, or HE, detergent to prevent excessive sudsing, which can impact machine performance. Pour liquid fabric softener into its dedicated dispenser, usually located on the agitator or rim. Avoid pouring detergent directly onto your clothes, as this can leave residue or cause discoloration. Follow the detergent manufacturer's recommendations for the correct amount, typically 1 or 2 tablespoons for a standard load. Finally, it's time to start your wash. Ensure the lid is completely closed, then press the start button. The machine will begin filling and sensing the load. If you encounter any issues, such as error codes, consult your Maytag user manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Remember to clean your washer regularly, perhaps once a month, using a washer cleaner or a cup of white vinegar to maintain its efficiency and prevent any unpleasant odors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.